So with the new WhatsApp update, there's a new way to send voice messages on WhatsApp. Now, it used to be that you'll open a conversation and then you needed to touch and hold this microphone icon. But now that's no longer the case. You can just tap on it. So tap on it once and it starts recording your voice, and you can talk for as long as you want. Okay. And then you can even pause, compose yourself, and then continue with the voice recording. And once you're done, you can just pause and then hit the send button. Okay. Now, also, as you record, you can choose whether to send it as a one-time listen message, so that the recipient can only listen to it once and then it disappears. Okay. So when you tap on that and then send, it's going to be well, it looks like a view once, but since this is a voice message, it's a listen once kind of message. So they can only listen to it once and then it's gone. Okay. So that is basically the new update with voice messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.